Hi friends, welcome to my channel gulfloto. Today's video for upcoming Omillionaire door prediction for 8/22. My last prediction for Omillionaire draw 4 number matched. You see here the result is 5, 6, 11, 16, 19, 28 and 30. 6 is here matched and 16 here matched and 19, the last one 28. 4 number matched. You can see here the whole result. The last result 1928, here 1928, next draw 19 come, and another one 1619, 1619, 19 here again come. The other result is 6 19 28, 6 19 28, next draw 19 come. The 19 is important number of this draw. I write here 13 number. This is the 13 number. I showed this number 1 to 10. 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 11 to 20. 14, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21 to 30. 24, 26, 27 and 29. 31 to 40. 32, 35, 36, 37 and 39. 41 to 44. 41, 43 and 44. This draw you can select on number 42, 44. On number here. Select on number 42, 44 on number. Hi friends, you want to choose this number, choose it. Otherwise leave it. It's your choice. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Gulf Lotto.